Hello everyone, my name is Fransisco and today I'm going to tell you about my daily activity. In the morning, if I have to go to campus, I wake up at 4 a.m. If not, I usually wake up late. I don't usually eat breakfast. I take a shower, get ready, and pack all my important belongings for campus. Then I warm up my motorcycle, say goodbye to my family, and head out. It takes me around 40 to 60 minutes to get to campus. Once I'm there, I just do the usual stuff, attend classes, study, and work on a homework for the following week. During breaks, I usually listen to music, scroll through social media, or go to canteen with my friends. After classes are done, I go straight back home. At home, I either take a nap in the afternoon after dinner or just play some games, watch unfinished movies, TV episodes, or anime. Sometimes, though rarely, I read some online comics I haven't finished. Occasionally, I clean my room, go grocery shopping with my mom, or hang out at my friend's house. In the evening, I usually don't shower anymore. I know, gross, but it's become a habit since COVID. I do take a shower if I've been out in the hot weather and got really sweaty though. After that, I eat dinner, chat with my family for a bit, and head back to my room to relax. I might finish some homework, then spend the rest of the night watching or playing something until I get sleepy and finally ready to go to bed. After telling you about my daily activities, now I want to share a bit more about my hobbies. Basically the things I usually do when I have a free time or just want to relax. First off, I'm really into gaming. I'm more of a PC gamer now. I used to play a lot of mobile games back then, but honestly, they've started to feel kind of boring for me. A lot of mobile games nowadays are too heavy, too competitive, and just not as fun as they used to be. I've started to enjoy story-driven games more, like games that actually have plot, characters, and something to follow. They keep me entertained and don't make me feel like I have to constantly compete or grind to have fun. Besides gaming, I also love listening to music. I listen to music almost everywhere I go, whether I'm taking a shower, in the car, chilling in the canteen, working out at the gym, or even just lying down after a long, tiring day at campus. And of course, like almost everyone these days, I scroll a lot through social media, watching shorts on YouTube, reels on Instagram, and of course TikTok. Sometimes I don't even realize how much time I spent just scrolling. And when it comes to movies, I usually watch on Netflix. If the movie I want isn't available there, I'll go to some pirated sites. I know it's not the best, but sometimes there's just no other way to watch it. I also enjoy watching anime from time to time when I'm in the mood. Lastly, I really enjoy sleeping, especially after a long day. Nothing beats just lying down and dozing off. That's pretty much what I usually do for fun. Gaming, music videos, social media, and lots of sleep.